Hello students, I am Monica Sora from ME International School, Nayagaon. Today we will be doing the 7th chapter, The Necklace, part 2 of your book Footprint Without Feet. Yes. Now she was very happy with her friend that इतना बढ़िया, इतना beautiful necklace, that also of diamond, और उसकी friend ने easily उसको दे दिया कि you can wear it and go for the party. तो वो बहुत खुश हुई. She hugged her friend and she was very see how she fell upon the neck of her friend, embraced her and with passion then went away with her treasure. उन्होंने लिया नेकलेस और वो अपने घर चली गई. The day of the ball arrived. अब जो उनको पार्टी में जाना था, that day had arrived and Ma'am Russell was a great success. She was the prettiest of all, elegant, gracious, smiling and full of joy. अब वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लग रही थी because she was beautiful. So she was looking all the more pretty with that necklace and that beautiful dress. Now all the men noticed her, asked her name and wanted to be presented. अब सारे लोग उसका नाम पूछने लगे कि who is this pretty and beautiful girl. She danced with enthusiasm and intoxicated with pleasure, thinking of nothing but of his admiration. This victory so complete and sweet to her heart. अब ये चीज़ वो अपना डांस करी थी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई थी कि everyone is looking at her. They were so she was looking so pretty that everyone was staring at her. So ये चीज़ उसको इतनी खुश कर रही थी. And she went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little saloons since midnight with 3 other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying themselves very much. He threw around her shoulders the modest wrap they had carried, those poverty clashes with the elegance of the ball costume. She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs. अब क्या हुआ, नाउ दे हैड टू रिटर्न बैक. नाउ उनको ये चीज़ नहीं बतानी थी कि एक्चुअली हाउ पुअर दे वो, तो हाउ दे विल गो. अब सब लोग कार में और इसमें जाएंगे एंड हाउ दीज पीपल विल गो. सो द फर्स्ट दे इज टू वेयर, कोल्ड में तो इतना सुंदर तो वो पहनते हैं, वो सब चीज़ इनके पास नहीं थी, तो दे डिडंट वांट टू शो दैट, सो दे जस्ट वेंट. Now Russell detained her. Wait, said he. I am going to call a cab. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुम रुको, मैं कैब बुलाता हूँ. How we will go home ना, like. But she could not listen and descended the steps rapidly. When they were in the street, they found no carriage and they began to seek for one, hailing the coachman whom they saw at a distance. अब उसको वहाँ पर जहाँ पर डांस वगैरह उन्होंने जो पार्टी की थी, वहाँ से उनको ऐसे कैरेज में या किसी में नहीं जाना था. बिकॉज वॉट शी सॉ दैट पीपल वॉट दे विल थिंक दैट सच अ प्रीटी, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल लेडी एंड हाउ शी इज़ गोइंग. शी इज़ नॉट हैविंग अ कार और सेल्फ व्हीकल, शी इज़ नॉट हैविंग. सो थोड़ा सा आगे चल के वो लोग उन्होंने कैरेज पकड़ा एंड दैट दे सेड. इट टुक देम एज फार एज देयर डोर एंड दे वेंट वेयरली up to their apartment. It was all over for her, and on her part he remembered that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. अब next, अब घर पे पहुँचने के बाद उनको अपना वही routine, and now she was again like sad that again I am come in that same situation, and the husband had to reach at 10 o'clock to the office. She removed the wraps from her shoulders before the glass for final view of herself in her glory. Suddenly she uttered a cry. Her necklace was not around her neck. अब क्या हुआ, जब उसने सब चेंज करने के लिए उन्होंने बोला फाइनली मैं अपने आप को देखूँ कि मैं कितनी ब्यूटीफुल लग रही हूँ वो नेकलेस के साथ. As soon as she saw that the necklace was not there, now where the necklace went, now they had come walking all the way and then they caught the carriage. Now where the necklace went, they didn't know. Russell, already half undressed, asked, "What is the matter?" She turned towards him excitedly. I no longer have, ma'am, Forrester's necklace. He aroused in dismay. What? How is that? It is not possible. And they looked at in the folds of the dress, in the folds of the cloak. सब जगह उन्होंने वो ढूंढा because it was a diamond necklace, and now they were very scared that they had lost the necklace which the friend had given her. Yes, I felt it was it as we came out, but if you had lost it in the street, we should have heard it fall. It must be in the cab. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि अगर वो रास्ते में गिरता तो अपन को वो आवाज़ आ जाती तो अपन को पता चल जाता. तो वो बोला कि शायद वो कैब में गिर गया होगा. Yes, it is possible. Did you take the number? No. And you? Did you notice that what it was? No. They looked at each other utterly cast down. Finally, Russell dressed himself again. I am going, he said, over the track where we went on the foot to see if. अब उन्होंने बोला कि मैं जाके ढूंढता हूँ कि कहीं पर वो अगर गिरा हुआ हो तो वो मिल जाएगा. And he went. She remembered in her evening gown not having the force to go to bed. Towards 7 o'clock, her husband returned. He had found nothing. He went to the police and to the cab office and put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. अब उसने पुलिस में कंप्लेंट कर दी, उसने एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर दिया पेपर में वो नेकलेस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, बट नथिंग दे कुड डू नाउ. He offered the reward also for it. She waited all day in the state of bewilderment between this frightful disaster. Russell returned in the evening, his face pale. He had discovered nothing. He said, write to your friend that you have broken the clasp of the necklace and that you will have to have it repaired. That will give us time. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुम ऐसा करो, अपनी फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखो और बोलो कि मैंने उसका नेकलेस का एक पार्ट थोड़ा सा टूट गया है पार्ट और मैं रिपेयर करके आपको दूंगा, सो दैट वी कैन गेट द टाइम टू फाइंड आउट. हम ढूंढ सकेंगे तब तक ना नेकलेस को. At the end of the week, they had lost all hope and Russell, older by 5 years, declared he must replace this jewel. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि अब हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. एक वीक पूरा उन्होंने ढूंढा, सब कुछ पता करा, बट दे डिडंट फाइंड द नेकलेस. उन्होंने बोला कि अब आप उनको उसको रिप्लेस करके उनको नया नेकलेस लाके देना पड़ेगा. In a shop of the palace royal, they found a chaplet of diamonds which seemed to them exactly like the one they had lost. It was valued at 40,000 francs. They could get it for 36,000. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला, गए वो लोग कि सेम नेकलेस अपन परचेज करके देंगे. तो जैसे उन्होंने वो नेकलेस की रेट पूछी तो इट वॉज 40,000 फ्रैंक्स एंड 36,000 जो थे वो उनको दे सकते थे. Russell possessed 18,000 francs which his father had left to him. He borrowed the rest. He had ruinous promises, took money. अब उनने क्या करा, कैसे भी करके कलेक्शन करके वो नेकलेस का रिप्लेसमेंट खरीदा. They had to purchase it to give it to a friend. Now depositing on the merchant's counter 36,000 francs. Now when Madame Russell took back the jewels to Madame Forestier, the latter said to her in a frigid tone, "You should have returned them to me sooner, for I might have needed them." अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुमको ये मुझे रिटर्न करना चाहिए था, मुझे ये ठीक था, चाहिए था. Madame Forestier did not open the jewel box as Madame Russell feared she would. What would she think if she should perceive the substitution? What should she say? Would she take her for a robber? अब उन्होंने क्या बोला, उसने वो खोल के नहीं देखा नेकलेस और उसको डर ये था कि अगर वो खोल के देखेगी तो उसने वो सोचेगी कि मेरा नेकलेस तो ये है ही नहीं और वो मुझे सोचेगी कि आई एम अ रॉबर. तो उसको बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. मैम यूसेड नाउ न्यू द हॉरिबल लाइफ ऑफ नेसेसिटी. शी डिड नॉट डिपार्ट हाउएवर completely. Heroically, it was necessary to pay this frightful debt. She would pay it. They sent away the maid. They changed their lodgings. They rented some rooms in an attic. अब उनको ये जो पैसा जो जितने का उन्होंने नेकलेस खरीदा वो उनको रिप्लेस करना था, तो उन्होंने अपनी मेड सर्वेंट निकाल दी. उन्होंने जो एटिक में रूम्स थे वो रेंट पे दे दिए ताकि किसी तरह से वो पैसा जमा कर सके. She learned the odious work of a kitchen. She washed the dishes. She washed the soiled linen, their clothes and dish cloths, which she hung on the line to dry. She took down the refuse to the street each morning, brought up the water, stopping. अब वो सारा वर्क करने लग गई, everything for earning the money back. जो उन्होंने स्पेंड करा था उसको वो मेड सर्वेंट का काम सब every work she used to do so that they can collect money for that. The husband worked evening putting the books of some. अब husband भी दिन रात काम करने लगा because 36,000 was a very big amount that they had spent. तो उसको earn करने के लिए उनको काम करना पड़ा. Madame Russell seemed old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. Her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, her hands red. She spoke in a loud tone and washed the floors large pails. अब वो पूरा काम करने लगी. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows how singular is life and how full of changes. How small a thing will ruin or save one. अब उस बार बार ये सोचती कि काश मैं वो नेकलेस लेती नहीं और लेती तो मैं उसको खोती नहीं, तो मुझे इतना सारा काम करना नहीं पड़ता जो अब उसको करना पड़ रहा है. One Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the camps Elysees to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. It was Madame Forestier, still young, still pretty, still attractive. Madame Russell was affected. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? अब उन्हें एक संडे को जब वो वॉकिंग कर रही थी तब उन्हें वही अपनी फ्रेंड को देखा, वो तो अभी भी वही प्रिटी लग रही थी, बस दिस शी हैड बिकम पेल एंड डल बिकॉज वो उतना सारा वर्क करके पैसे अर्न करने के लिए शी हैड बिकम मच मोर ओल्डर देन अ फ्रेंड। तो वो उसको देख रही थी, तो नाउ शी थॉट दैट मुझे इससे बात करके सब कुछ बता देना चाहिए, बिकॉज शी हैड रिटर्न द नेकलेस बैक ना टू हर। शी अप्रोच्ड हर, गुड मॉर्निंग Jane. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished to be so familiar addressed by this common personage. She stammered, "But madam, I do not know. You must be mistaken. No, I am Matilda Lucille." अब वो फ्रेंड देखो, उसकी जो फेस देख के, उसकी जो हालत थी वो देख के उसको पहचानी भी नहीं, तो उनने बताया कि मैं तो मेटिल्डा हूँ, योर फ्रेंड। तो शी वॉज जस्ट शॉक्ड। हर फ्रेंड अटर्ड अ क्राई ऑफ एस्टोरिशमेंट, ओह माई पुअर मेटिल्डा, हाउ यू हैव चेंज। अब उन्होंने बोला कि अरे तुम्हें क्या हो गया, सी how she has become and how her friend was. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you and some miserable ones and all because of you. अब उन्हें क्या बोला कि ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ। Now she was like what happened? फ्रेंड ने सोचा मेरी वजह से, why? So because of me? How is that? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball? Yes, very well. Well, I lost it. How is that? Since you returned it to me. अब उन्होंने उसको सारी बात बताई कि तुमने जो डायमंड नेकलेस दिया था वो मैंने खो दिया था। तो बोले कि कैसे, तुमने तो मुझे वो रिटर्न कर दिया। I returned another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing, but it is finished and I am descended content. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि मेरे लिए वो नेकलेस को वापस जो तुम्हें मैंने दिया, वो परचेज करा, और जो पैसा मेरे उसमें लगा वो सारा कमाने में हमारी ये हालत हो गई। वी हैव बिकम लाइक दैट नाउ। तो मैम फर्स्ट स्टॉप शॉर्ट, शी सेड यू से दैट यू बॉट अ डायमंड नेकलेस टू रिप्लेस माइन। अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुमने एक डायमंड नेकलेस खरीदा वो मुझे रिटर्न करने के लिए जो मेरा गुम गया था। तो उन्होंने बोला येस, यू डिड नॉट परसीव इट देन, दे वर जस्ट अलाइक, एंड शी स्माइल्ड विथ प्राउड एंड सिंपल जॉय। मैम फॉरेस्टर वॉज टच्ड एंड टुक बोथ हर हैंड्स एज शी रिप्लाइड, ओ माई पुअर मेटिल्डा, mine was false, they were not worth over 500 francs। अब उस फ्रेंड ने क्या बोला कि अरे तुमने ये बहुत ही गलत काम करा। बोला मेरा तो नेकलेस असली था ही नहीं, वो तो आर्टिफिशियल नेकलेस था, एंड यू हैव परचेज अ डायमंड नेकलेस एंड यू हैव रिटर्न मी बैक। और उन्होंने बोला वो तो जस्ट कितने का था, 500 फ्रैंक्स का, एंड शी परचेज 36,000 franc necklace she purchased and gave it to a friend. So this was the story that for the false necklace she had given her the real diamond necklace, and the friend was very touched for that. Thank you.